In this video, I will show how to delete or remove language in Windows 11. So click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Time and Language. Language and Region. So here you will see a list of language which you installed before. Remove or delete any language. Click on these three dots and remove. Are you sure you want to remove this language? Click on Yes. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the method you can delete or remove language in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.